Where a hunter's knowledge kept the tribe fed for a week, the shaman's knowledge could keep them alive for a generation. A 2021 study published in PLOS ONE analyzed grave sites from the Natufian culture in the eastern Mediterranean, dating back roughly 12,000 years. One burial stood out. The body was a woman in her 40s. Buried with her were the remains of over 50 tortoise shells, parts of an eagle, a leopard, a wild boar, a cow, and the foot of a human being. The researchers concluded she was almost certainly a shaman. The most carefully buried person at the site was the healer. These people weren't just mixing herbs. They were the memory of their community. They carried the accumulated medical knowledge of dozens of generations, passed down through practice, story, and ritual. Lose the shaman, and the tribe lost its entire medical library in a single death. And then there was fever. Modern medicine spent decades trying to suppress fever aggressively. Ice baths, medications to drive the temperature down immediately. It turns out, this was wrong. Fever is not your body malfunctioning. It is your immune system turning up the heat to kill pathogens that can't survive above a certain temperature. Ancient humans understood this intuitively, not in scientific terms. Ethnographic studies of living hunter-gatherer groups show a consistent pattern. When someone develops a fever, they are moved closer to the fire and kept warm, not cooled down. Their bodies are allowed to burn. Only in the last century did we discover the immunological mechanism that explains why that was the right instinct all along. Your ancestors didn't have germ theory, but 300,000 years of dying from infection taught them what worked. The knowledge was coded not in books, but in behavior.